I've been eyeballing this Craftsman grinder. We're going to do an unbox real quick, and we're going to take a look at this. This is the small grinder that they have. There's a 4.5-inch grinder. It does have the same 3-year Craftsman warranty. One of the unique things about this tool specifically is the positions of the handle. So it's got a 3-position handle. So sometimes you're cutting a lot and you wish that you had fairly heavy tool. Actually, I'm just noticing this. All of the weight is on the end, so when you put a big battery on it, that'll be good. So sometimes you don't want to hold like this. Maybe you want to hold like this because you want to keep the blade away from you. So this is what they're calling a 3-position handle. If I'm doing a lot of grinding and I want to hold it with the handle up top, I can do that, and I can keep this way. If I want to grind and I'm grinding this way, I can do that. So if I want to load this up with a cutting disc or something else, this button here is going to stop the rotation of the center spindle here. There's going to be those holes. I'm going to line them up with this tool, lefty-loosey. I did that, and I can take off this end nut. Now the way this is designed is it's grinding, it's going to actually be tightening it down. So this is an abrasive disc, so I'd be using this to grind stuff. And it looks like this is going to be collar to center it, and I'm still going to use that button here to help hold it, and then I'm going to tighten this very tight to make sure it's not going anywhere, and it's designed to tighten as it works. Now you can remove the shield. I wouldn't do this except for cleaning and maintenance. You can flip that up and remove the shield. You can also adjust the angle of it, so if I'm cutting like this, I could adjust this shield to be like that. I can cut that way, right? So showing the angle and the direction of rotation. So if I were to be grinding this way, it's going to go head off. Does look like it has a safety lock, which I like, and that actually completely locks out the trigger when you push that. So that's another interesting feature. Got that locked, batteries locked in. Tool spins up. You can see on the bottom. There we go. Very well balanced. You know, it was funny. It was very top heavy before I added the battery, but it actually holds the battery in real well. Another interesting thing about this is it does have the Craftsman VersaTrack system. So what's the VersaTrack? Well, all of the tools have this little screw hole, and you can get the VersaTrack adapters so that you can hang this on your wall, and you know, it puts all the weight on the wall, and you can very easily remove it, and the VersaTrack stays out of the way. So this is, again, their 4.5-inch small grinder. You can use it with cutting wheels, abrasive wheels, flapper discs, things like that. That was from Craftsman.